the 2020 BMW 330i. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, favoring both performance and efficiency. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.